我听不懂。You feel like, oh, I don't understand again. Question for you. Do you have this situation in Taiwan? You say something in Chinese, they understand, but when they respond to you, you don't understand anymore. Maybe it's because they speak too fast or they use a vocabulary you don't know. What would you do in this situation? 你会怎么办？今天我们要来学不同的说法。I'm going to show you some different ways so that the other person would repeat automatically. 然后不要小看这个哦。Don't underestimate this. And it will be very natural, no awkwardness. 我真的很建议大家就是用这些小技巧，然后常常替换着用。Before starting, I would like to say big thank you to my students on Patreon. It really helps me keep going. 好，那我们现在就开始吧。第一个，This one is my favorite. 我超常用这个。I use this all the time. In daily life, at work, just this. The other person will repeat automatically. 然后你头可以弯一下，或者是皱眉头一下。火箭筒，火箭筒。你有这个印象吗？
火箭筒，
火箭筒。这招非常好用。Okay, it's super useful. 第二个，This one is similar to the first one. However, we usually use this when we are with friends. It usually goes like this. 你说什么？ Okay, so it shows that we didn't catch what you were saying, or I simply just don't understand. Can you just repeat or elaborate? So please only use it to people you know already. 再来第三个，什么？什么？ You see, I speak super fast with this. 什么？ This one is also casual, it's informal. This one is also very useful when we don't understand a specific term or we didn't catch what the other person is saying about the term. For example, this one, 像这样。
不是dollar 的，这里的 dollar。
这里的什么？这里的什么？可是不要太常用哦。如果你太常用，我觉得还蛮讨人厌的，一直什么 like you don't make any efforts. 好，再来第四个 The famous 我听不懂。学生非常喜欢讲这个 Students love using this one. But please just don't throw this at me. For me, it's quite annoying. You might learn that when you Google how to say I don't understand in Chinese, or you learned it from the textbook. However, in daily life conversation, if you really say that, it's very annoying. We feel that you don't make efforts at all to understand the other person. So you just say it passively. 我听不懂。So I know in French, if you don't understand something and you will say j'ai pas compris, or je comprends pas, or j'ai rien compris, you cannot translate it like this into Chinese. So if you do, it's just very rude, kind of arrogant, 让我觉得很没有礼貌，然后很高傲。再来第五个 Okay, then you would go,But I just don't understand, so what should I do? Alright, use this one. 第五个，我听不太懂。Okay, so this is way much better when you say this. 我听不太懂，不太 is not really, I don't really understand. So when you say that, I feel like you have made efforts, but you just don't quite get that. And in daily life conversation in Taiwan, you might hear this.我听不太懂耶。Okay, so when you add 耶 it's the end particle. It softens the tone. Okay, I can't really give you a direct translation for this one, but when you don't understand something, you say 我听不太懂耶。It's just so Taiwanese, and I would love to explain to you It softens the tone, it sounds very friendly. You will hear this a lot in a service industry. 我听不太懂耶，我听不太懂耶。It sounds polite, friendly, less direct. Of course, you can also say number 6, 第6个。可以再说一次吗？可以再说一次吗？可以哒哒哒吗？可以哒哒哒吗？ This is a structure to ask, can you do this? 再 again, 说 to speak. 一次 again, or you can say 一遍, it's the same thing. Of course you can say that, but you see it's long, and if you keep saying this all the time, when every second, every minute you don't understand, it is also very annoying. And I believe when you say this, you feel like, oh, I don't understand again. So you kind of stuck there. And I noticed that normally beginners say this a lot. Okay, but don't do it. You can say it, but use these ways interchangeably. It's just more natural. OK， 那我希望今天的影片对大家都有帮助。I hope this video is helpful for you. And please hit the like button and share my video with other learners. It means a world to me. Thank you again for all my students on Patreon. If you have questions, let me know. I hope to see you in the next video. 那我们就下个影片见咯，拜拜。